Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to install mods for Minecraft Java Edition. I will be leaving all the links that I use in the video description so that you can easily find them. Alright, now let's get started. First, you want to figure out what version your mod is in. I'm going to use Mr. Crayfish Furniture mod in 1.12.2. Now that I've downloaded the mod, I also need the correct version of Forge. So because the mod is in 1.12.2, I'm going to get the 1.12.2 version and download recommended and download the installer. To run the installer, you also need Java, but I already have Java, so I'm not going to install it again. Now launch the installer and install client. Now you can open Minecraft and go to installations. It will bring up this installation for Forge, and you will need to launch it. Now that it is loaded, click quit game and press Windows R. It will bring up the run section. You can also type this in the search bar to bring it up. You need to type %appdata %, and press enter. And open .minecraft, and there should be a mods folder. Open this mods folder and put the mod in. Now, when you launch the Forge version again, the mod should be installed. As you can see, the mod is installed, and now you can play with mods. Thank you guys for watching.